Hello, fourth graders. We're going to do some more rounding today. And when we're rounding, we're going to be looking at the last few digits of the number. And this is a chart for rounding to the nearest 10. If you're rounding to the nearest 10, all of your answers need to end in at least 1 0, the rounded answers. And to do that rounding, we look in the ones place. And for example, if we would have, let's say 76, the low 10 would be 70, and the high 10 would be 80. And we know that number 76 is between 70 and 80. And this 76, we got 6 in the ones place, and that tells us that's closer to 80. Now, the case we did not get to yesterday would be something like this: 234. And if we're doing our tens, we're like, 234. And if I look at my chart here, 234, 200, 200, 200, 210, 220, 230, 240. Oh, that's between 230 and 240. And I realize that I look at the last place here, and that's a 4. So that tells me it's closer to 230 than 240. So we look at the last place once we find the nearest 10 and figure if it goes to the low 10 or the high 10. Now, if we do the same type of thing for the nearest 100, instead of looking at the last place, we look at the last 2 places, which are the 10s and the 1s. If they're 50 or more in the 10s and 1s, you round up, 49 or less, and you round down. If my number would be something, like 577, with my hundreds, that's in between 500 and 600. And that 77, that's more than 50, so it gets rounded up. Now, if we go into the thousands, let's do 8,259. Now, if I look at my chart here, 8,259, 8,000, 8,100, 8,200, 8,300. That 8,259 is between 8,200 and 8,300. And look at those last 2 digits. 59, that's more than 50, so I round up to the 8,300. Now, if we go by the thousands, that has to end in the 3 digits, the hundreds, the tens, and the ones. If that's 500 more, you round up. 499 or less, you round down. So if I go something like, let's see, 7,699. I've looked at my chart here, 7,699. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 7,000, 8,000. So it must be between 7,000 and 8,000 if I look at my chart. $699, that's more than 500, so you round up to 8,000. Now, the more difficult case would be something like, let's go 48,727. So I have to find the 48,000s, 48,000, 49,000. So it must be between 48,000 and 49,000. And the 727 is more than 500, so it rounds up to 49,000. If we're on to nearest 1,000, ends in at least 3 zeros. Nearest 100 ends in at least 2 zeros. And there's 10 ends in at least 1 zero. Have a great day, and you're going to get better at rounding the more you do it.